Hello! Today, we'll explore how to find equivalent fractions for the fraction 5/7. Equivalent fractions are fractions that represent the same value, even though they have different numerators and denominators. Let's dive into it. To find an equivalent fraction for 5/7, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. This does not change the value of the fraction. Let's illustrate this concept visually. We'll choose different values to multiply both the four numbers and the 7 by the same number and see what we get. Let's start by multiplying by 2. We multiply the numerator 5 by 2 to get 10, and the denominator 7 by 2 to get 14. The equivalent fraction is 10/14. Now let's try multiplying 5/7 by 3 to find another equivalent fraction. We multiply the numerator and the denominator by 3. The numerator becomes 15, and the denominator becomes 21. This gives us the equivalent fraction 15/21. Let's try one more. For this last example, let's multiply by 5. We multiply the numerator 5 by 5 to get 25, and the denominator 7 by 5 to get 35. The equivalent fraction is 25/35. As you can see, by multiplying both the numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same number, you can create equivalent fractions. Remember, equivalent fractions are useful in arithmetic, algebra, and everyday problem solving because they allow you to express the same amount in different ways. Practice finding equivalent fractions with other examples to gain confidence.